The market is low, buyers are struggling, and you want to maximize your profit? What if I could sell your property for more money, avoid all closing costs, and generate guaranteed monthly income? There is a strategy that does all three: seller financing.
Enter Talks.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Enter Talks. I am Davyd Kyrylyuk, and as a real estate investor and entrepreneur, I know the frustration you feel when conventional markets slows down. Today we are explaining the top benefits of seller financing your property, why it works so well, and how you can use it to maximize your profit. It's one of the best kept secrets for homeowners, for investors who want to make more money on sale, reduce closing costs, sell property as is fast, and avoid agents and banks. One of the biggest advantages of seller financing is simple. You can charge a higher sale price. When you offer terms, meaning the buyer does not need a bank, you are giving them something extremely valuable. Easier qualification, faster closing, no strict bank rules, flexible down payments. You negotiate everything, whatever you want. Buyers will pay more for that convenience. For example, if your home is worth $300,000 on the open market, seller financing commonly allows seller to list at $315,000, $320,000, $325,000 or more. So you make a price. You are not just selling the home, you are selling financing. And financing has value. Plus, you are earning interest. Over several years, that interest can add tens of thousands of dollars to your financial profit. Seller financing helps you earn more than you would with a traditional sale. Next, let's talk about closing costs. Traditional sales involves bank, and banks come with their fees: loan origination fee, underwriting fee, processing fee, appraisal, and points. When you sell with a seller financing, you eliminate most of all of these lender-related costs. Benefits include a simple closing, lower fees, fewer delays, less paperwork, less back and forth between agents and lenders. You talk directly to the lender who does your seller financing. In a slow market or a high interest rate environment, buyers struggle to get approved. Banks reject good people for reasons that have nothing to do with their ability to pay. When you offer seller financing, you instantly expand your buyer's pool. You attract people with non-traditional, self-employed buyers, buyers with strong down payment, people tired of dealing with the banks, with agents, and getting any approvals. Your home becomes one of the easiest homes to buy on the market. This does two things. Your property sells faster, and you have more negotiation power because demand increases. More buyers equal for more interest. And more interest usually equals a better price, so you can sell top dollar. We have covered the speed and the cost benefits, but the next few sections cover how you can generate ongoing income. If you are excited about creating passive income from your sale, please hit the like button now. And to catch more financial strategies from Enter Talks, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell icon. Instead of receiving one lump sum and being done with the sale, a seller financing offers a powerful alternative: steady monthly income. You become a bank. You make money which is protected by real estate. So if they stop paying, you are still getting your property back, and everything what you have got paid stays with you. You become the bank. The buyer pays you monthly, just like a mortgage company. You collect principal, you collect interest, and predictable cash flow. This is especially useful if you are retiring, want passive income, or want a stable long-term return and higher return on your money. Best part? You are secured by the property. If the buyer even stops paying, you can take the home back and keep the money they already paid. Seller financing lets you benefit from the same business model banks use, and it's safe, secured, income backed by real estate. Now let's talk about other major advantage. You can sell your property as is, even if it needs repairs. Banks don't like houses with issues. If your home needs a new roof or has outdated systems, many lenders simply won't approve the loan. But the seller financing, buyers often don't care. They're already getting flexible terms from you, so they'll take you and they will do repairs themselves. Maybe your price will go down, but they will still take advantage on this opportunity. This lets you sell quickly, avoid spending money on repairs, skip inspections, skips lender qualified fee fixes, skip the hassle of updating your property. For sellers who do not want to pour more money into a property, seller financing solves the problems immediately. One of the best parts about seller financing is simplicity. You can avoid agent commissions, banks appraisals, endless showings, financing fall-throughs. If you want a private, direct sale with less stress, seller financing is the cleanest option. You can handle the entire transaction throughout a real estate attorney or through the title company with a simple written terms. No staging your home, no strangers walking through your house, no worrying about the appraisal coming in low. And finally, the tax benefits. When you sell a property for cash or throughout a bank loan, you pay all the capital gains tax in the same year. But with the seller financing, the IRS treats it as an installment sale. This means you only pay taxes as you receive payments. You avoid a gain tax bill all at once. You may stay in a lower tax bracket. You earn interest while spreading out taxes. For many sellers, this is one of the biggest financial advantages. You reduce taxes and you earn interest at the same time.
Enter Talks.
So, let's recap the major benefits of selling with seller financing. You get higher sale price. You reduce closing costs. You attract more qualified buyers. You create predictable monthly income. Sell your property as is. You do not need to do any improvements. You avoid agents, appraisals, and showings. You reduce your tax burden throughout installment payments. Seller financing puts you in a control and you significantly increase your total profit from the sale. If you want help, I can help you to find an attorney to structuring seller financing safely and legally. And if you want guide to go through the entire process, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching Enter Talks. I'll be happy to see you in the next video.